Welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Iamcassiejbudgets&vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I definitely need to be stuffing some money. This is my first week off from work, and I'm sorting through how I'm going to make it the next week because I'm not 100% prepared. And if you hear noise, my cat is playing with a ball. Let me see if I can get him to go play with it outside of my room. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I don't know exactly what I was saying, but I'm taking some time off and I'm trying to sort through and figure out what the heck I'm doing. I have $20, $25, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34 here. I do need to make some change. So let's work on that really quickly. I found some change. Now, I want to try to hit all of my savings challenge. Whatever's in this savings challenge that is completed, I will be able to put towards my expenses. I still have the money that I unstuffed from Sunday. My expense envelopes, I'm running through that money pretty quickly. I budget just enough to make it. But I had a little bit of extra cash to do something with my kiddos. I think Friday we're going to go like out to eat or something. So that's it. All right, we're going to start with this savings challenge. This is the freebie that is linked down below from the S&C Budget Creations August collaboration. All right, my dice are back here. The way I've been playing it is rolling the dice to see which spot is going to get money, and then I'll roll one dice to figure out how much it's going to get. If it's an odd number, it's $1. If it's an even number, it's $2. And if I land on a nail, then it's $3. All right, 2 and 2. Here it is. 1. Okay. 2 and 2 again. 4 and 4. Wow, what's up with this? The doubles. 4 and 4 is taken. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is taken there. 1, 2 taken there. Okay. We're getting down to the wire here. 6 and 2 here. Okay. Odd number, so $1. 2 and 3. Here's $3 for the nail. 1, 2, 3. And I think what I'm going to do is take $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 5 and 3. 5, 3. Oh, another nail. Okay. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think we'll roll one more time. 2 and 5. 2, 5 taken. 2, 5 taken. Okay. 2 and 2 is gone. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Okay. 5. $1. Perfect. Okay. So This freebie you can get down below. I did make adjustments for my budget. There are numbers under these stickers that were just a little bit high for what my goals are. I would have loved to put these big numbers in there, but I have other savings challenges I'm working on, so I had to be realistic in what my expectations were of myself for the savings challenge. Today we're adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In total we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, $49. $49. Okay. I'm just going to keep pushing through and see what I can make happen. Like I said, I have a couple more videos coming up. I would like to see this money ready for spending the following week, just because I'm not ahead. And the money that I did make from my paycheck is going, all of it's going to rent. So I'm relying 100% heavily on these funds. All right, we got a few dollars left. Let's figure out how we want to make this happen. How about we pull out our baddie bankroll. This is a savings challenge I did get as a gift, but she has it available in her Kofi shop for $3. We are still working on the month of August. Let's see. How about we do, so we have $9 left. Let's do 4. I'm just going to color half of it, and then that way I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next time to complete it, it will need to be $5. Let's see, I'm going to leave the $2 bills, but we have 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not certain that's necessary, but just in case. So this is a year-long savings challenge with monthly savings challenges, and you can see each month is listed on there and the amount you should save if you follow the denominations, the amounts that she has set. But I will link her channel so you can check her out. She does have a lot of freebie options if you're not wanting to spend money on savings challenges at this time. Let's see here. This is my Librarian set. This is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. You'll find the link listed down below. I'm really enjoying this savings challenge, but what I did was I calculated how much I would save if I completed all of these envelopes. What I'm going to try to do is get as close as I possibly can to completing them. Once I finish one envelope, I'm going to move on to the next one. The reason I want to complete this savings challenge is the same thing for the baddie bankroll. I want to put my money to PTO for Christmas. However much money I can actually save will determine how many weeks I can take off from work. So if I can only save 2 weeks, then I can only take 2 weeks. If I can save 3, 4, 5, whatever, then I can take that amount of time off. Now, mind you, we're in August. We don't have very much time left for me to figure this out because I do have to put in the request by October. So I need to kind of get a gauge of where I am in terms of my savings. So I'm just going to do the best I can. I'm going to keep on working on it. At this point, I think I'm leaning more towards 3 weeks. If I'm able to do more, I will. But this savings challenge has the amounts listed on the back of the envelope. It is an envelope. And so the way I calculated was I did the sum method, and I put the low amounts that I would actually save. So for instance, this envelope says if you follow it, the amounts, it's $200. Well, if I do the sum method, it's $119. Well, the $500 envelope, I'll save $95. $1,000 envelope, I'll save $145, so on and so forth. So that's the way I'm working it. You don't have to make any changes. You could just do whatever it is that you want to do. But in my case, I'm low income. I really need to make sure I'm realistic. Plus, the more savings challenges I'm doing, the funner it seems to be for me. So today, I think we're just going to go ahead and put $5. Yes, I think that's a good little number there. Let's see here, we're adding $5. And so far I have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, so over halfway there. Making amazing progress, but I do want to try to make sure I get this completed or as close to complete as I possibly can to hit this number. If not, typically for each week, I'm guessing, this is kind of a rough estimate, I'll need about $350 per week. I am going to sit down and redo my budget based on where I am at the time of when it's closer to Christmas. So I am trying to move so that will make a difference in my amount of rent I'm paying and things like that. I just want to make sure I'm prepared and not putting myself in a situation where taking time off was a bad idea. I don't want that to be the case. All right, so we have our freebie savings challenges that I did receive, or I printed them, and they were from Black Canyon Custom Creations, and I will link her down below so you can check out her freebies as well. All of these are faith-based savings challenges, so I'm really excited about them. So we have some cash here. We're just going to give, well, we're just going to roll one dice because we only have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to roll the dice and give whichever envelope it lands on $2. 6, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 5, 5. All right, so number 4 didn't get anything. That's okay. But they are very pretty. Simple with a black and white, so I decided to actually color them in with my markers just to give them a little bit of color. But let's see what we're adding here, and let's see if we're completing any of these savings challenges today. Let's see. Trying to use the colors I haven't used already, but looks like we have already used them. We have $2 going in here. 1, 2. This one only needs $4 more and it will be completed. I was really excited to do these savings challenges because by doing $1 per symbol, very, very compatible with the low income. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. All right, and the next savings challenge, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, looks like it only needs 2. Okay, so we'll set that back there and figure out what we're gonna do. So we completed a savings challenge. Awesome. Whoa, I don't know what color to use. I'm confusing myself. Very excited to see this happening because that means that we'll have some cash to work with for our expenses, and then if we want to do anything for the next week. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 is what I saved. Yay! Very exciting. Okay, I don't have my paper clips over here. That's okay. I'm just going to put this here, and then I need to decide what I want to do. I think maybe we'll focus on trying to finish these savings challenges instead of adding more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. This savings challenge is getting $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and now let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 is what we have so far. Okay, and now we're adding 1, 2, 3, $4 here, and it looks like that will complete this savings challenge. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. All right, and let's see how much we saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 is what we saved for this savings challenge. Dang, that's already a nice chunk of money. I was really debating if I should even, do anything or go anywhere with my children. But I think it's a perfect opportunity. I know that next week I need to grab some flowers for my baby's grave. So I'll do that. We're adding $2 here. 1, okay, and 2. All right. Now I think I'm going to put the $2 into the other savings challenge because it's pretty close. 1, 2, 3, 4 to being completed. And we have another video coming Friday, so we'll work on these again on Friday. Let's see which one needed. Yeah, we'll do this one. We're gonna add that $2 here. Like I said, it's pretty close, so 1 and 2. Awesome. And now it only needs 2 more bucks. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to my hand. All right, let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and put these back. I did print up more savings challenges. I think I've shown you before, but I really am feeling like it's a good idea for me to complete these, and then I can give myself the cash that I need or want for the next week for my expenses, and then also spending because I feel like this is a perfect opportunity since I'm home to have some time to spend with my kiddos. So I'm going to finish as many as I can. I think what I'll do is like last Sunday, or oh no, not last Sunday, this Sunday, I did a cash stuffing for my savings challenges, and then I did an unstuffing. So I think I want to do that again on Sunday and see where I'm at, just so I can make sure I have the money I need and want to get us through the following weeks. Okay, so let me just go over what we did today. Black Canyon Custom Creations freebies. And all of these that I printed are faith-based, but you know, I don't remember if there was any other options in her shop. But we did work on our Baddie Bankroll Savings Challenge as well, and our Librarian set, and then also our Everything Beachy, which is coming along incredibly. I want to try to complete this by next Sunday so we can do an unstuffing of that as well. But we'll see. We'll see. You know, I'm just going with it at this point and see what we can do. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.